So look here, see, it's another WhatGear word on the street, and this week it's the Sony Xperia XZ3. So here's what we could see, or will we see Sony disappear into the quantum realm with their smartphone? Or could Sony spend some serious cash and push it to the limit? Ooh, yeah! Now there's a chance Sony may expand their screen tech to 6.2 inches, similar to that seen on the Note 8 and the OnePlus 6. However, could this be the first ever Sony phone without a bezel? The XZ3 just might have a 4K OLED HDR display with a fingerprint reader behind the screen. Also, face detection could be present on the device using a camera mechanism similar to that seen on the Oppo Find X. Inside the phone could be up to 8GB of RAM, a 4000 mAh battery, and front-facing dual speakers to deliver that sonic boom. And enter the Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 5G. Or at the very least, the Snapdragon 855 with an all-new ADRENO graphics processor. And this is all important because Sony are the Godzillas of console gaming.
Run! It's Godzilla!
As for the shooters, the Sony will definitely be ready for a shootout.
A shootout, right, is a f***ing shootout! Like a West.
On the front, we could see Sony's largest ever retractable selfie cam with a wide-angle 21 megapixel camera and maybe a reverse flash for even more detail in those embarrassing selfies. On the rear, you can fully expect a dual camera layout, especially when you consider Sony make those dual lens sensors for pretty much all the flagship phones out there today. The XZ3 will likely have large image sensors that will help you see in the dark like Batman.
Holy crap, it's Batman!
And I reckon Sony hear the complaints about not having headphone jacks on smartphones, so Sony may introduce the headphone jack on the XZ3. And word on the street is Sony are discontinuing the Xperia launcher, and the new launcher could be something really special.
A remote control bat computer oscillator.
Oh.
And the glass on the front, you guessed it, Gorilla Glass 6. And now, onto my favourite section I like to call Taking a Leak. I heard the Sony XZ3 casing will be made from a mysterious metal only found in Wakanda.
A meteorite made of vibranium, the strongest substance in the universe.
And I heard the number 3 may be significant because Sony might just use a triple camera layout on the back of the phone. One wide-angled, one telephoto and one regular. That's 3 eyes, just like the three-eyed raven. And I heard the Xperia XZ3 may be able to harness the power of the sun right there in the palm of your hand.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
And I heard Sony might integrate retractable gaming controls that pop out either side of the phone for that ultimate gaming experience. And that to me would be wow.
That to me was a wow.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quickie leak from WhatGear. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this and other tech related stuff in the future. And if you just subscribed, that means you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.
Let's go. But inconspicuously. Through the window.